It's like you and your mother lack love. That's why she poisoned your soul.
What is it now?
Oh, yeah, carry this thing and enter back. Oh, yeah. Where is the place?
Is that place?
Remove it. Move, carry this thing.
Now.
Nonsense. You doing anyhow. I will be shouting you not here. Move on before I meet you and give you good slap on the back.
Please.
Oh.
Mama, this is the man that got me pregnant.
Oh. So you are the young man that got my daughter pregnant without asking for her hand in marriage. Eh? Okay. I have brought her to you so that you marry her. Because I can't continue feeding two people.
Two people as how now?
She and your baby now? Or did you sleep with her?
Mama, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, you want to lie? Did he not shift here? Mama, he promised me marriage. That was why I opened my legs for him.
You see what you're saying? Will you shut up before I give you good slap? Nonsense.
Mama,
Babe.
What's
going on here?
So this is the thing that want to collect husband from you. See the thing that want to collect. Well, that's not what I'm here for.
Babe, don't worry. I will explain everything to you. Let's just go inside. I will explain. Thereafter, I'll go to work. Let's go inside.
We are all going inside together. Carry your bag. Oh yeah, let's go inside. Oh yeah. Should we say we should all go inside? Oh yeah. Carry it.
My husband's house.
All this happened at Wale's house party. I was high. I can't remember doing anything with her. I didn't remember anything. I don't know what Wale gave us that day. I did not. I will try fix everything once I took her to the hospital for ultrasound. That way I will find out how old is the pregnancy.
What are they even talking about?
I told you.
Let's go and fix them. Young man, I'm leaving. I only came to know my future son-in-law, and I've seen you. Please, though, nothing should happen to my daughter as she's staying with you people in this house. Nothing, no. Ella, come and see me off. Like I said, nothing should happen to her.
Let's go.
See me off, Jerry.
Don't worry. I'll get through this. The village flat for just 2 months to our wedding.
See, Ella, remember the daughter of who you are. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Don't be submissive to anybody in that house. Be in charge of the atmosphere.
Yes, Mama.
And if anybody touches you in there, just let me know. You know the mother you have?
Yes, sir.
Just let me know and I will come here and deal with them.
My gallant Mama.
You know what? Oh yeah, go inside.
Go meet my husband.
Go and meet. Go and meet your husband.
Okay,
Let me be going.
Alright, ma.
Let me not hear that they touch you in this house.
I won't even allow them.
I trust you.
I will not allow them.
I trust you. Don't be weak.
Yes, Mama.
Don't be weak, oh.
Yes, Mama. Take care of yourself,
I will see you.
Bye-bye. Rubbish people.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Just relax.
Please, come and show me to my room. Or are we going to sleep in the same room? Sorry, no. Please, I want to watch a program. Where's you?
As you can see, I was watching something before you came in. Just wait, when I'm done, you can watch.
How dare you talk to me? Eh? Are you not? Are you okay? First, you came into my fiance's house. You're claiming to be pregnant. Have you lost it? It's like you and your mother lacked love. That's why she poisoned your soul. Oh, babe.
What is it now? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I can't continue like this again. No. I'm leaving this house. Leave. Leave. At least I'm the one carrying the child. Unlike you that have been receiving back to back, you cannot even carry anything. Nonsense.
What's your problem? Are you okay? Is something wrong with you?
Go and ask her. She started it first, though.
She started what first?
Leave me alone.
I should leave you alone. I'm very sure you're the one that caused this thing that just happened now.
Hey!
The person I'm dating, she's not like this.
Okay.
She doesn't fight.
You don't want to see her fight now.
Okay. I don't want to see her fight.
Leave me alone, no.
Something is wrong with you. You are sick.
Now come and kill me because of the man.
Babe, wait.
Don't even disturb me. I food. Where are you going to? Leave her, let her go.
Wait now, babe, wait. Sleep.
Let me get out. I'm not going anywhere. Rubbish.
You are really, really crazy. You know that, right?
Don't shout at me.
No problem. Once I'm done with the scan, we'll know if you'll be in this house or not.
Which scan?
Ultra scan. That will tell me how old is the pregnancy, because I know the night everything happened. I know the time frame. Anything outside this period, I'm not the father of that thing you are carrying in your stomach. Did you get me? Get ready.
Anything you want to do, I am ready. Oh, wait. This guy wants to use my head.
Let's go.
Go where?
To the hospital, of course.
I'm not going anywhere.
What do you mean I'm not going anywhere?
You think I don't have sense? You want to take me to the hospital to go and terminate my child, Okwaya? I'm not going anywhere.
You must go.
Hey.
You must.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't touch me, oh! I will call my mommy for you. I will call her.
Is your mommy gone?
I will call her. Hey! Leave me alone, oh! Leave me! I'm not going to. I'm pregnant, oh! I'm pregnant. Jesus, they want to kill me for my mommy.